Let's see how to manage your chatbot contacts into several lead pipelines and also manage all the contacts into CRM as well. So here we have released a new feature which is called as lead pipeline boards. So if you click on this one, so here it says track leads and deals visually with a Kanban board, prioritize, manage stages, close deals faster with an intuitive drag and drop interface. Simple as that. Let's see how to create several pipelines and also add the leads into those pipelines as well. So let me click on add over here, and here you have different options. So here you can track different opportunities using the opportunity center, or you can actually manage your customer support using the customer support center, or even you can actually create custom boards according to your needs as well. So let's focus on this opportunity center over here. So let me open this one right here. So here I'm in the opportunity center, and by default you will see this particular board which is lead, and here you have the option to create multiple stages as well. So here let's focus on this particular funding credit score flow right here, and here we actually ask the customers about their credit score. So here if they have high credit score such as above 650, then we can actually classify those lead as a high credit score. So here we can actually add a new stage as well. So let me say high credit score. So here you can actually track all the contacts who actually have high credit score, and here you can also add another stage which is low credit score. So just for the demo, just two additional stages. So now we want to add action to pass the lead or contacts through these stages right here. For example, in this particular flow, let me add an action over here, actions, and here let me add an action, and here let's say pipelines. Choose pipelines over here, and here you have the option to add the contacts to the pipeline. So the pipeline will be opportunity center, and here you can actually add a name as well. So here you can actually add a name as well. For example, let me say funding, and here you can even add opportunity value as well, and even you can add this particular lead to an admin as well. For example, let me add this particular admin, and you can also set the priority, and you can status and the lead status as well. So here in this case I'm actually adding the contacts to the pipeline, and I want to add this one as a lead. So click continue. So here you can actually add this action. So let's say if they are ready to answer any sort of questions, for example, you can actually add these actions right here. For example, so here if they are ready to answer the questions, we can actually add them as a lead. And here if they answer this particular question right here, you can actually add one more action related to pipelines over here. And here let me choose the pipelines. Over here we already have added that particular contact to the pipeline. So now we want to move the contact to the stage. So choose the opportunity center. The stage would be high credit score. So here if they choose these scores, 720 plus or up to 719 or 650 plus, we can actually add them as the high credit score lead. And if they choose any other options over here, let me duplicate this action right here, and in this case I can actually add this particular lead to a low credit score as well. Simple as that. So here you can simply connect these actions right here to this particular pipeline action. All right, so here we have created a very simple flow right here with these pipeline options as well. So now if I preview this particular flow right here, we should receive this sort of message right here. So now if I choose any of these options, absolutely sure thing, then that particular contact should be added to the lead status over here. So let me choose this option. So now this should actually add that particular lead right here. So let me actually refresh this particular page over here. We should see a lead right here, funding, and the contact has been assigned to the agent as well. Simple as that. So now if I choose a different credit score, so let me choose a low credit score right here, and now it should actually move to the low credit score right here. So here let me refresh the page over here, and as you can see here, this particular contact has been moved to this particular low credit score right here. Simple as that. And here you can an agent can jump in and easily send a message to this particular contact as well, and they can also change the status of these contact as well. So if you want to send a message to this particular lead right here, you can simply choose inbox and simply send a message to this particular contact right here. So likewise, if another lead came to this same flow, we can also track that one as well. For example, let's actually trigger this particular flow through the messenger as well. For example, so this is a flow name, funding credit score. For that, I want to set a keyword over here to trigger this automation. So word right here, and let me add the keyword as funding. Okay, and here let me say the flow I want to trigger is funding credit score. So is the flow I want to trigger when they send this specific keyword. So I have set up this particular automation right here. All right, so now let's trigger the same automation on the Facebook messenger as well. So let me send this particular keyword right here. All right, and I receive the message. So let me say absolutely. And now if I go back to this particular opportunity center, we should see a new lead right here from the Facebook Messenger. Simple as that. As you see, messenger icon is here, this is the lead is here. So now if I choose a high credit score, 720 plus, it should be assigned to that particular high credit score stage as well. So now if I go to this particular opportunity center and refresh the page right here, and as you can see here, this particular contact is assigned to this high credit score right here. So likewise, you can actually create multiple stages right here and assign the contacts accordingly as well. A quick video on how you can use these lead pipeline boards to organize your contacts as a CRM and also track the status of each of these contacts and maximize the conversions from them as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.